Hi everyone, I'm Megha and I'm Sugar's makeup expert today. Today I will be showing you some cool tips and tricks you can use with your lip liner. So first, let's get a common question I'm asked out of the way. Is lip liner really necessary? Yes. Convinced now? So before you begin, remember to exfoliate your lips well and apply a lip balm to make the application as smooth as possible. Dry, cracked, chapped lips are a big no. You do not want your lipstick to settle in your cracks or feather away. Always use a lip primer. I'll be using Sugar's Seal the Show Lip Primer, which does the trick in just one single swipe. A sharpened lip liner is a must for precise outlining. Today I'll be using shade number 07, Fiery Berry. To start lining, part your lips slightly so that you stick to the natural shape of your lips. A common lining method is to start at the center, drawing an X on your cupid's bow, and then outline the corners and bottom of your mouth before lining the rest of your lips. This helps achieve an even shape. I find that moving in light short strokes is a much easier way to get a clean outline than trying to trace over the lips outline in a single movement. A trick for creating fuller lips is to begin application of the liner from the outside corner to the center of your lips instead of from the center out. Make sure you apply liner to any creases or cracks because this will prevent your lipstick from bleeding. I've used a lip liner to fill in my lips, but you could use a lipstick too. When picking your lip liner, choose the one closest to the shade of your lipstick. It helps blend in and brings out your pout in the most gorgeous way possible. Ta-da! Quick and simple. I hope you found this video helpful. We'd love to hear your stories too, so comment below and tell us. Check out the links in the description below to know more about the products used to create this fab look. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. Bye!